In a fresh spurt of violence in Jiribam district, miscreants suspected from a Mar community have reportedly torched 3 houses in 3 Meitei villages under Borobekra subdivision in the wee hours today, just when 10 CSOs of Jiribam were preparing for a peace rally in the district. As per sources, the residents heard sounds of explosion at Harinagar around 2 a.m. today, and it is suspected that the houses may have been set ablaze using bombs. The 3 houses belonged to N. Naba alias Biramohan of Harinagar, Farmers Club in Guarkal, and Khairakpam Puja of Butankal Kunjabong. The sources further mentioned that recently another house of one Bir Mohan was also set ablaze by miscreants. Meanwhile, the Farmers Club was established jointly with various communities, including Kuki, in 2018. Maibam Sarad alias Chowren, chairman of the organization, has been staying in the club. However, taking advantage of his absence, miscreants torched the club. Following the incident, Assam Rifles immediately rushed to the scene and dosed a fire and managed to save the house of Khairakpam Puja, which was partially damaged by the fire.